Reason why it's not a lighthouse is because this light is transmitted this way.
You want one?
No thanks.
Markers,